In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the graph of the equation. So, how will you draw the graph of any equation? By taking the x and y value. So, you have to draw the x and the graph of the equation. So, we will take first example here. So, I write it as y equal, I will fix the y, I move the x that side, it become 1 minus x. 1 minus x. So, this is the x and y value. And for know the behavior of the graph, so it is 3 point is enough. So I will take this one as -1 0 1 1 negative 1 positive. If you want, you can just extend this part -2, and here it is +2. So some people will take -2 -1 0 1 2, and you can write it this one. Now I just substitute this x value here. So what is the value here? If you substitute that one, so you will get y equal 1 minus of minus, it become +2. Therefore, you will get 2. Next one, when I substitute y 1 minus 0, the answer will be 1. So it is 1. Now, when I substitute x 1 minus 1, the answer will be 0. So it is 0. If you want, you can extend the points of x. Now, what is the point quotation coordinates? You will find it here in terms of x and y. -1, comma 2. Then 0, comma 1. Then x1, y0. Just you have to plot the points in the graph. So where is -1, comma 0? X equal -1. This is actually the y-axis, and this is x-axis. X value and y value. Now x is -1, this is -1, y is 2, it will be here. This point is the first one. This one is over. Now the next one, 0, comma 1, x equals 0, x equal 0, y equal 1, it will be here. The next one, we will have 1, comma 0, x equal 1, y equal 0. So it is just 3 point is enough to know the behavior of the graph. If you join the line, you will find it is a straight line. It's a straight line passing through these points. So it's a straight line. So this is the first one. Now coming to the next one, we will have -x square plus y equal 1. What is the difference between this one and this one? Here you will have a x square. So let us check how the graph look like. It is the same story. We will do it again here. Y equal 1 plus x square. So I will just move the x term other side. It become minus, become plus 1 plus x square. This is the same rule. X and y value. I will take x value -1, 0, 1. So when I substitute this value here, so when I put -1 here, so what should be the value here? Y equal 1 minus 1 whole square, it become +1. Therefore, the answer will be 2. So it is 2. When I substitute y equal x equals 0, therefore x value is equal 1. So the value is 1 here. When I substitute x equal 1 plus 1, so answer will be 2. Therefore you will get 2. So if you want, you can just extend this part. Now I write it in terms of the points. What are the points here? You will find -1, comma 2. Then this is 0, comma 1. Then 1, comma 2. So there are the 3 points you will find. Now I just plot the points here. -1 and 2. This is the first one. Okay. The next one we will have 0, comma 1. This is the 0, comma 1. The next here 1, comma 0. Again x equal 1, y equal 2. So this is like a U-shaped curve. You will find it a U shape. So the graph is looking like this. So if you extend the 2 and minus 2, you will get a U-shaped curve. So whenever you will have x power 2, we say it is a U-shaped curve. This is a sharp, sharp. This is a smooth curve. You will find it the parabola. This is the parabola, U shape. And whenever you will have x power 1 is a straight line. When you have x to the power 1, so it's a straight line. It's a straight line. Now we will go to the next one. Yeah. So here, this is an interesting thing, absolute equation. So you have an absolute. So it is the same rule we will take. We will take some values of x minus 1, 0, 1. Yes. So what should be the value? Here, y. When I substitute the x value equal here, so what happened? So y is equal minus 1 minus 2, which is minus 3. Absolute minus 3 is plus 3. This is plus 3. When I substitute x value 0, what happened? 0 minus 2, the value will be plus 2. Absolute minus 2, it is 2. Now when I substitute 1, 1 minus 2 is equal minus 1. Absolute minus 1 is plus 1. Is it plus 1? 2, 3 and 1. Now what is the points you have? What are the points you have? The points are minus 1 comma 3. Then 0 comma 2. Then 1 comma 1. So if you plot the points, what happened here? X equal minus 1, y equal 3. It will be here. The next one 0 comma 2. It will be here. And 1 comma 1. It will be here. So I don't know whether it is going down or up, that one. So I have to calculate two more points, x equal 2 and 3. So I will calculate, I will extend this part 2 and 3. So what happened here? When I substitute 2 here, what happened? Y equal, when I substitute 2 minus 2, it is 0. This is 0. When I substitute 3, you will get what? 3 minus 2, which is equal 1. So which is equal 1. If you write it this point, what are the points you will find here? The points are 2 comma 0, 3 comma 1. So where is this point? 2 comma 0 here. Why we are calculating 3? Because I don't know whether the graph is going down or up. So that's why I have to calculate this point 3. So x equal 3, therefore y equal 1. So if you see this graph, the graph is a V-shaped curve. You will find it a V-shaped curve. So this is the V-shaped curve, sharp curve. Whenever you will have absolute, you will get a sharp curve, V-shaped curve. So by seeing the equation itself, you can say the graph, how the graph look like. If it is absolute, it is a V shape. Now let us go with this one, x square equal y square equal x. So this is actually a parabola. Let us go with this. Now I have to get the y value from this. What is y from here? Y equal plus or minus square root of x. So as usual, I will take the y value. Here I will not take minus, because if I take the minus 1, square root of minus 1, which is I, which is a complex one, we cannot draw this one. So that's why, to avoid the minus, I will take the perfect square number. It will be the good suggestion. So it is 1, I will take, or you can start with the 0, no issues. 0, you will get this one. 1, okay. 2, I will not take 2. Why? Because the root 2, I don't know the values, because you will find it as in a decimal. That's why I jumped with the 4. When you take the square root of 4, you will get an integer. So it is easy to draw the graph. Now here I take 9. So these are the numbers we are taking. So that's why we are not taking minus and plus. So depend upon this equation you have to choose. Now let us substitute the value one by one. So what happened? The first one, y equal plus or minus 0. 0 is a neutral number, therefore it is 0. Now y is equal, what happened next? X equal 1, square root of 1, which is equal plus or minus 1. We'll get 0 here. This is plus or minus 1. Then when I substitute 2, what happened? Square root of 4, which is equal plus or minus 2. And here plus or minus square root of 9, which is plus or minus 3. So you will get here plus or minus 2. Here it is plus or minus 3. So here you will find it the two values. Here first one 0 comma 0. Here we will have 1 comma 1 and then 1 comma minus 1. So there are 2 points because plus and minus for one value of x you will get two values for y. Now similarly here 4 comma 2 then 4 comma minus 2. So let us draw the graph of these points. This is 0 comma 0. It is the origin, the first one. Okay, then this is finished. Now 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 it will be here and 1 comma minus 1 it will be here. This is the next one. Now 4 comma 2. X equal 4, y equal 2 here. X equal 4, y equal minus 2. It will be here. And then we will take this one, x equal 9, y equal plus 3. X equal 9, y equal minus 3. Where is this point? X equal 9, y equal plus 3. X equal 9, y equal minus 3. So this is a U-shaped curve. If you see this one, this is actually a U-shaped curve. This is a U-shaped curve. Why? Because you will have a square. So if you have a square, that's why it is a U-shaped curve. So with this video is completed. So we have discussed about this in this video about different types of the graph of the equation. Whenever you will have x power 1, it is a straight line. Whenever you will have x power 2, this is a U-shaped curve. Whenever you will have an absolute value, therefore it is a V-shaped curve. That is a curve will be short, not smooth curve. So these two are smooth. Why? Because x square, it is like a parabola. The parabola opens on the x-axis. So this is the x and y axis. As we know, this is x and y. So parabola opens on the y axis. Thank you.